Hello, I am your teacher for this question. The question says to find the distance between the points. The first point is point A 9,3 and point B which is 15,11. Okay, so let's suppose this point be x1 and this be y1. We named as 9 as x1 and 3 as y1 and 15 as x2 and 11 as y2. So according to distance formula, we will apply distance formula here. So distance formula says that distance AB is equal to in the root under root x2 minus x1 whole square added to y2 minus y1 whole square. ओके, सो हम क्या करेंगे, x1 x2 y1 y2 की वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देंगे. सो AB विल बिकम AB is equal to under root x2 minus x1, that will be 15 minus 9 whole square added to 11 minus 3 whole square. ओके, हमने x1 x2 y1 y2 की वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दी. ठीक है, सो दिस विल गिव द रिजल्ट अंडर रूट ऑफ 15 minus 9 is 6, so 6 square added to 11 minus 3 is 8, so 8 square. 6 square plus 8 square, so it will become under root of 6 square is 36 added to 8 square is 64. So this will become under root of 100. Now the distance AB will be, AB is equal to under root of 100, that is 10 unit. Okay, now second part solve करते हैं. Second part, in this part point A is 7, -4 and point B is -5, 1. Okay, so again क्या करेंगे, हम वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. This is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. Applying a distance formula here again. So AB is equal to under root of x2 minus x1, that is -5 minus 7 whole square added to y2 minus y1, that is 1 minus of -4 whole square. So this will become under root of -5 minus 7 will become -12 whole square added to, and here 1 and minus plus, minus into minus plus, so 1 plus 4 whole square. So this will become -12 square is 144 added to 4 plus 1 5 square is 25. So 144 added to 25 will become under root of 169. So AB will become here, AB is equal to 13 unit. Okay, so this is our second part. Now coming to the third part solve करते हैं. So third part says that point A is -6, -4, point A is -6, -4, and point B is -9, 9, -12. So it will be 9, -12. Okay, so again again applying a distance formula here, we will get AB is equal to under root of x2 minus x1. So this is your x1, y1, x2 and y2. So x2 minus x1 will be 9 minus of 6 square. Okay, 9 minus of minus 6 whole square. Okay, add it to negative 12 minus of minus 4 whole square. Okay, so this will become under root of 9 plus 6 whole square added to negative 12 plus 4 whole square. So this will give under root of 9 plus 6 is 15 square added to negative 12 plus 4 is 8 square, negative 8 square. So negative 8 whole square give the same result as positive 8 whole square. So it will be under root of 225 added to 64. So this is equal to under root of 289. Okay, so this is the square root of 17. This is 17. So AB here is equal to 17 unit. Okay, now coming to the fourth part. Fourth part says that A is 1 comma negative 3 and B is 4 comma negative 6. A is 1 comma negative 3 and B is 4 comma negative 6. Okay, so this question is also same as the previous one. Okay, so अगेन हम वही चीज़ अप्लाई करेंगे. इसे करेंगे x1, y1, x2 एंड y2. ठीक है, डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे. AB इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट ऑफ x2 माइनस x1 दैट इज 4 minus 1 होल स्क्वायर एडेड टू negative 6 minus of minus 3 whole square. This all comes over under root. So this will be equal to 4 minus 1 is 3 square, that is 3 square added to negative 6 plus 3 square. Okay, so this is equal to under root of 9 added to negative 6 plus 3 is negative 3 and negative 3 square is 9. Okay, so this is equal to under root of 18. Okay, so AB here is equal to under root 18 is equal to 3 root 2. Okay, so 3 root 2 unit. This is a value of AB in fourth part. Now coming to the fifth part. Fifth part says that point P is equal to A plus B, A minus B. Here point P is A plus B, comma A minus B, and point Q is A minus B, comma A plus B. Okay, now we'll name this point as x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2, ओके, अगेन हम डिस्टेंस फार्मूला लगाएंगे. डिस्टेंस फार्मूला PQ is equal to under root of x2 minus x1. Okay, so x2 is a minus b minus of a plus b whole square added to y2 minus y1. y2 is a plus b minus a minus b whole square. Okay, now इसे सॉल्व करेंगे हम. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू a माइनस बी एंड माइनस यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई होगा ब्रैकेट के अंदर, तो इट विल बी a माइनस बी माइनस a माइनस b का होल स्क्वायर एडेड टू a प्लस b माइनस a प्लस b होल स्क्वायर. ओके, सो यहाँ पे नेगेटिव ए पॉजिटिव ए कैंसिल हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे नेगेटिव ए कैंसिल हो जाएगा. सो इट विल बी पी क्यू इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट ऑफ नेगेटिव 2b होल स्क्वायर एडेड टू अब देखो यहाँ पे a प्लस बी, it's again negative 2b whole square. Okay, so the answer will be under root of 4b square plus 4b square. Okay, so it will be 4, sorry, not 4, it's 2b, it's 2b root 2, or we call as PQ is equal to 2 root 2 b unit. Okay, because this is distance, we are finding distance here, so यहाँ पे हम यूनिट यूज कर रहे हैं. ओके, नाउ द सिक्स्थ पार्ट इज ओके, सो पॉइंट P here is a sin alpha comma b cos alpha, and point Q here is a cos alpha comma minus a sin alpha. Okay, now we'll solve this question. Now let this point be x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. Okay, so again applying distance formula, PQ here is equal to under root of x2 minus x1, that is a cos alpha minus a sin alpha whole square added to y2 minus y1, that is minus a sin alpha minus a cos alpha whole square. Okay, so this will be equal to PQ is equal to under root of यहाँ से हम a कॉमन ले लेंगे, a स्क्वायर कॉमन हो जाएगा, सो बाहर ही आ जाएगा यहाँ पे cos alpha माइनस sin alpha होल स्क्वायर एडेड टू, यहाँ से भी a कॉमन ले लिया तो यहाँ पे, और नेगेटिव भी कॉमन ले लेंगे, सो नेगेटिव स्क्वायर विल बी पॉजिटिव, सो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा sin alpha प्लस cos alpha, sin alpha प्लस cos alpha. ओके, होल स्क्वायर. अब क्या करेंगे, हम इन ब्रैकेट्स को एक्सपेंड कर देंगे. सो पी क्यू इज इक्वल टू ए इन द रूट cos alpha minus sin alpha, a minus b whole square is a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. अप्लाई करेंगे यहाँ पे, एंड a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square प्लस 2ab, ये दोनों फॉर्मूला यहाँ पे अप्लाई करेंगे तो a माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर इज कॉस स्क्वायर अल्फा प्लस साइन स्क्वायर अल्फा minus 2 sin alpha cos alpha. Okay, add it to a plus b whole square, that is sin square alpha plus cos square alpha plus 2 sin alpha cos alpha. Okay, now this will cancel out. Now sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is 1, so this is equal to PQ is equal to a in the root 1 plus 1, so it will be equal to a root 2. Okay, so PQ is equal to a root 2 unit. This is a solution for this question. I hope you understand the solution. Thank you.